Why some people, like Indians, eat extremely spicy food? Thailand, Philippines, India, and Malaysia are at the top of the hot climate spicy food list, while Sweden, Finland, and Norway are at the bottom. The United States and China are somewhere in the middle. The main reasons some countries' residents like hot spicy foods are 1. Bacteria and food-borne pathogens. The chemical compounds of spices protect the food from food spoilage microbes and bacteria. 2. It is genetic, and it has become a habit. Their great-grandparents liked the spicy food, and probably their children will too. 3. In hot countries, most meat-based recipes call for at least one spice, and most include many spices, especially the potent spices. Whereas, in cooler countries, substantial fractions of dishes are prepared without spices, or with just a few. So, people in hot places eat spicy foods to sweat and cool down with perspiration. 4. Finally, they know spices provide antioxidants or chemicals to aid digestion. This channel is made to help you know your body better. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any videos in the future about your body.